Governor Gianforte recently signed SB 393 into law, a law that would provide funding for both Lake County and tribal law enforcement for law enforcement related expenses.
In the past 18 months, the tribes have taken on 150 plus felony cases.
Under common law PL 280, Lake County and tribal law enforcement split the responsibilities of enforcing the law on the Flathead Indian Reservation. The agreement between the county and the tribes originated in 1962, but has since undergone many changes.
Since the 90s, the tribes have been handling all of their own misdemeanor cases while the state handles all of the felony cases. Over the years, those felony cases have started adding up.
Currently, Lake County and tribal law enforcement are both responsible for those convicted of felony offenses, but in the past, Lake County was the responsible party for any tribal members who committed a felony offense.
That's created an unsustainable situation for the county to keep prosecuting every felony on the reservation. So over the last couple of years, the tribes have really stepped up and they've started enforcing drug possession cases against tribal members.
And the county states that because of the amount of felony offenses they have seen, is putting a burden on their jail, with the cost of housing all inmates and the expenses that come along with that being $201,000 1 month.
In 2017, we started taking more of a deep dive into our Public Law 280 costs, and they were increasing significantly and eating up a larger and larger portion of our county budget. So at that point, we started looking for some partners that could help pay the costs of Public Law 280.
The new law will provide $250,000 to both Lake County and CSKT by July, and $1.5 million each year for the next 2 years. The Lake County County Commissioners and the Lake County Attorney told MTN that they plan to use their funding that they'll receive to reimburse themselves for costs they already accrue, while the CSKT told MTN that they still have to figure out some of the details of what they're going to use their funding for. In Pablo and Polson, I'm Zach Volheim, MTN News.